Anthropic just shipped Managed Agents Memory, and the architecture decision they made is worth paying attention to. This is not a vector database. This is not an opaque managed blob like ChatGPT Memory. Every memory is a text file mounted at /mnt/memory. Versioned, exportable, redactable. Rakuten is already using it in production. 97% fewer first-pass errors, 27% lower cost. Let's break down what actually shipped and why the files not vectors approach matters. Two-tier explanation first. Managed Agents is Anthropic's production harness on the Claude Platform. It launched in public beta mid-April 2026. It is distinct from Claude Code and Claude Cowork. Those are end-user products. Managed Agents is the runtime for developers building their own agents on top of Claude. Today's memory release is a layer added on top of that. Think of it as the storage primitive that turns a stateless agent into a stateful one, without you having to wire up a database, a checkpointer, or a vector index. Claude Platform handles the persistence. You pay for it by the session hour. Here's the architecture decision that matters. When the agent session starts, a memory store is mounted at /mnt/memory, a regular Linux file system, directories and text files. The agent reads and writes to it using the bash tool it already has. There's no special memory API for the model, no embedding similarity search, no vector DB under the hood. You can cat the agent's memory, you can grep it, you can git diff it. That is the key design choice. Memory is just files, which means everything you already know about debugging file systems applies to agent memory now. What does the file system actually look like at runtime? You decide. Anthropic deliberately does not impose a directory structure. You can organize by user ID, by project, by date, by feature, whatever your agent needs. A typical setup might have a preferences directory for per-user settings, a projects directory for ongoing work, and a lessons learned directory the agent appends to as it works. The agent discovers memory by browsing the tree the same way any shell user would. One catch. Each individual memory file is capped at 100 kilobytes, roughly 25,000 tokens. Anthropic is explicit. Many small files, not a few large ones. Adoption is the best validation for a beta product. Anthropic named 3 customers in the announcement. Rakuten reports 97% fewer first-pass errors, 27% lower cost, and 34% lower latency running agents with memory in production. WiseDocs reports 30% faster document verification. Ando is quoted on the workflow continuity angle. The beta limits tell you who this is for. 1,000 stores per org, 2,000 memories per store, 100 megabytes total per store, 8 stores attachable per session. That is enterprise-scale numbers. Hobbyists will hit none of these. Enterprise teams running hundreds of agents across thousands of users will need the limit raise ticket workflow. The announcement is on Claude.com, Anthropic's post-cowork rebrand blog. The deep engineering write-up is over on anthropic.com/engineering. Both are worth reading. The engineering post gets into the session container architecture, how memory stores mount into isolated workspaces, and the privacy model. One subtle but important detail. Memory stores are workspace scoped, not session scoped. A single shared read-only store can be attached to every session your agent runs. That is how you distribute updated reference material to a fleet of agents without retraining or re-embedding anything. If Anthropic publishes a new onboarding doc, update one file, and every agent in every customer workspace sees the new copy on next session start. The audit trail is the feature that turns this from a convenience layer into an enterprise credible one. Every write to a memory file creates an immutable version with a member prefix. Versions are retained for 30 days, longer for recent ones. If legal or compliance asks what the agent knew on Tuesday, you can answer. For GDPR, specifically right to be forgotten requests, there is a redact endpoint that scrubs the content of a specific version while preserving the audit record that a write happened. The audit log stays intact. The sensitive content is gone. So C2 evidence is intact without retaining personally identifiable information indefinitely. Worth comparing against the alternatives, ChatGPT Memory is a consumer feature, per user blob, no programmatic export, no versioning. Mem0 is open source, vector plus graph hybrid, scores 66.9% on the Locomo benchmark versus OpenAI's 52.9%. But it is SDK level. You bring your own storage. Letta, formerly MemGPT, is a full agent platform with core and archival memory blocks, richer than Claude's offering. But it is the whole runtime, not just a memory API. LangGraph ships persistent memory via checkpointer plus store, but it is framework bound to LangGraph. Claude Managed Agents Memory sits in a different space. Managed Enterprise Memory API with version control primitives baked in. The differentiator is operational simplicity. You do not run a vector DB. You do not run a checkpointer. You just call an API. One limitation, Anthropic calls out directly in the docs, is prompt injection. The default access level for a memory store is read-write, which means if your agent processes untrusted input, a malicious user can inject instructions that cause the agent to write poisoned content into memory. Next session, the agent reads that memory and treats the poisoned content as its own prior learning. Anthropic's recommendation: use read-only access for any shared reference store, and keep read-write scope to trusted inputs only. This is not a hypothetical, it is a warning box in the docs for a reason. A few honest limitations before you adopt it. 1. Public beta, not GA. The beta header is mandatory and limits are binding. 2. No semantic search built in, it is a file system. If you want embedding similarity, you build it yourself on top. 3. Vendor lock-in. Your memory files live in Anthropic's managed infrastructure. Export is possible, but there is no import from Mem0 or Letta. 4. Prompt injection is a real risk, especially with the read-write default. 5. Versions evaporate after 30 days unless you actively export them. If you need long-term audit evidence, that is your responsibility, not Anthropic's. 6. Memory stores attach at session creation only. You cannot hot mount a new store mid-session. Worth budgeting for all of this before you commit to it as your agent's memory layer. Managed Agents Memory is the cleanest enterprise memory API on the market today. The files not vectors decision is a meaningful architectural bet. It trades semantic search convenience for operational simplicity and auditability. For teams building production agents where the memory layer has to pass compliance review, that trade is worth making. For hobbyists and researchers, Mem0 or Letta still win on flexibility. Pick your primitive based on who asks the questions when things go wrong. If this breakdown helped, subscribe at Prism Labs AI. We cover every Anthropic, OpenAI, and open source AI drop as it ships. Blog post and docs link in the description. See you in the next one.